Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S40 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now we have to enter languages and input and pick the languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously applied languages. We've got only English right now, so let's tap on add a language. Okay, and as you can see here, we've got the full list of all available languages from which we can choose. So this list is so wide, and all you have to do is to simply find the language you would like to set and tap on it. So let me pick, for example, the Turkish and pick it. And sometimes you will be also able to pick the region, so just tap on the one you'd like to set. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the list, but the English language is still a main one. So in order to actually switch the languages, you have to tap on it and hold it. I mean, tap on the one you would like to set. And as you can see, right now you can move it. So let's drag it to the first position. And as you can see, actually immediately the whole system, the whole menu has been changed to the chosen language. So let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it, and drag it to the first position. And again, we've got the English set. Of course, you can remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon and tap on remove. Mark the language you'd like to remove and pick the trash bin icon, confirm it. And as you can see, we've got only English left. So actually this is it. This is how to change system language in your DOOGEE S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.